You've been trying to save money but you always end up using it. Baka it's time for you to change your strategy. Kasi nangyari din yan sa akin many times before, parang pagda-diet lang. Sa umpisa, sobrang eager mo mag-ipon, tapos eventually magagastos mo yung pera. Tapos at the end of the month, ang ending, zero pa rin yung savings mo. Welcome to episode 2 of our Soft Saving Era series where we save together slowly but surely. One strategy that really helped me para maiwasan ko na galawin yung savings ko is to ask myself first, what am I saving money for? Is it for a short-term goal or a long-term goal? Kasi long-term and short-term savings should be kept in different places. For short-term savings like for emergency fund o kaya sa travel, nilalagay ko siya sa high-yield savings account. Ang importante, nakahiwalay siya sa payroll ko at saka sa expense account ko at ideally, meron siyang transfer delay. That way, mahihirapan ako na gastusin siya. Pero at the same time, accessible pa rin kapag talagang kailangan ko na. You can even use digital banking app na may savings feature where you can rename your savings type. Like for example, for Japan trip or do not use, or for example, ilalagay mo for emergency fund. Personally, I use GoTime for this kasi it lets me label my savings. Tapos it also allows me to automatically schedule my transfers. That way, hindi ko na siya kailangan isipin on a monthly basis dahil automatically na siyang ginagawa ng system for me. For long-term savings naman, I use something like MP2 and yung pinili ko sa kanya is yung compounded payout na 5 years para hindi ko talaga siya magagalaw. Yung mga ganitong savings options, very ideal siya if you're planning to use the money para sa retirement mo or bibili ka ng bahay or may plano kang business. So whether short-term or long-term goal yung pag-iipon na ginagawa mo, make it frictionful. Huwag mong padaliin yung pag-withdraw ng pera. That way, hindi ka matitempt na gastusin siya anytime. So back then, nung wala pa mga digital banking apps, I feel so old saying that. Ang ginagamit ko is a passbook savings account. Ito kasi wala kang ATM card talaga and pinili ko talaga yon. That way, hindi ako matatempt na mag-withdraw ng pera anytime. Dito, para makapag-withdraw ka ng pera, kailangan mong pumunta dun sa branch, pumila, mag-fill out ng form. So, medyo mahassle. Kaya, madami kang time na pag-isipan talaga kung gusto mo ba talagang gastusin yung pera. Yes, very old school at hindi rin mataas ang interest kapag dito ka naghulog. Pero dito kasi talaga na-train yung discipline ko na hindi gastusin yung savings ko. And until now, meron pa rin siyang use. College pa ako nung sinimulan ko to, pero until now, nasa akin pa rin at meron pa rin siyang laman. So minsan talaga, hindi mo naman kailangan ng sobrang willpower para makapag-ipon. Ang kailangan mo lang is tamang goal at tamang savings account for your money. That's it for today until our next episode about money saving tips. Ciao!